In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate through your HMI screen on your 112 Extreme. Here is our operator control. This screen will allow you to turn both of your vacuums on and both your clamps, put your weld roller down, change your speed, temperature, and even turn your heat on. This arrow, I call it our navigation button. This will allow you to get to different subsections within our operating system. Now, I would say the main ones that we're going to be worried about is our operator control, our controls, and our recipe edit. Now, under our controls, you can see where we can change our drive delay, our clutch pressure, and our weld pressure. Now, if you have further questions on that, we can put a link to one of our tech tip videos within the description of this video. This will allow you to turn your lasers on, your heat swing on and off. If you have a butt laser, you can also come here and turn that on as well. Our chiller, if you guys are doing any kind of acrylics. Our auto clear mode, our auto return, and our temperature notification. Next is our recipe edit. This will allow you to go through and select your recipe or settings for any particular application that you want to do. This will allow you to not only edit, but also, for example, activate. Next, we have our recipe active. Now, what this is going to do is just going to show you what recipe that you're on, so you don't have to go into your recipe edit. Next is going to be our welding head. This is going to allow us to jog the head forward and reverse. You can set a particular endpoint of the machine, and this will allow you to activate that as well. So if you are doing, let's say, one size and one size only, you're able to set that, which will also work with your auto return. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into our office at 330-833-6739 for any additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.